There will be moments when you will see your children challenged, exhausted, or struggling to adjust to the discipline expected of them. Today marks the beginning of an important journey for the MAP class of 2030. They are our newest and biggest batch of scholars. You arrive with greater preparation, broader exposure, and higher potentials. Because of this, we also place upon you higher expectations. We expect you to think critically, communicate effectively, act responsibly, and lead with maturity beyond your years. These are not intended to discourage you. They're intended to prepare you for the realities of the profession you have chosen. At sea, there is no substitute for discipline. There is no room for complacency. And there's no greater measure of a maritime professional than competent, disciplined, and globally competitive maritime leaders who understand that service, responsibility, and honor are inseparable from professional excellence. So I ask you, the parents and the relatives and friends, I ask for your understanding and your steadfast support during these moments. Remember that we are partners in this endeavor. The academy can train cadets, but the strength of family support often determines whether a young person learns to persevere to adversity. I ask that you encourage them to remain focused, remind them that hardship is temporary, but the values they develop here will shape the rest of their lives and careers. Finally, to the class of 2030, you were selected because this institution believes that you have the potential to succeed. But potential alone is not enough. What matters is what you choose to do each day. Together we shape not only future officers, but future leaders of the maritime industry and responsible citizens of the Philippines.